Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to the American Garage. Thought I'd give you a quick update on some of the projects going on here at the American Garage, some of the things you have to look forward to that I'll be reporting to you on. So, first of all, let's talk about the truck. Now, the truck is continuing to work pretty well, but it continues to have some issues too. As I said before, we looked at all the vacuum leaks. Those seem to be resolved. The next thing somebody suggested was to change the gas cap. So we changed the gas cap. Every time we made a change, we noticed a little bit of improvement, but our problem seems to remain. Now, one of the other things that I've been working on is getting towards doing the finishing up on the record player. Now, as you know, we had these legs, and they're Bakelite or some kind of plastic legs, and that just wasn't gonna do. So I decided to turn them on the lathe. I've already turned a couple of them right here on the lathe already to get ready. I'll do a second set of them and show you how to use a wood lathe while we're at it. So that will be coming up soon, so watch for that video. It'll probably be the next video that I make. So I'm going to show you how we're going to go from this to this to this, all in wood. So be looking forward to that. Alright, so since we're talking about the record player and doing some woodwork, let's go look at the record player. Now, the record player is working beautifully. The record changer mechanism is working correctly. The amplifier is working great. So mechanically, the record player is where we want it to be. Now, it looks terrible on the outside, and this old finish is flaking off like I at first identified. They didn't put real wood on it. It is a real hardwood cabinet grade plywood that they used to build it with, but it's like maple or something, and to make it look like mahogany, they put this like decal on top. So what I've done is I've gotten this really nice mahogany veneer, and so we're going to put a veneer on it and replicate this fake look with real wood. So that'll be coming up soon on the American Garage. Here's that veneer I was talking about, and it's a really nice tiger stripe mahogany. And we also, I got some antique speaker cloth to redo the speaker grill on the front. And now, the one we have looks nice, but I've got something else to show you. So along the way, as I had identified early on in the record player project, it's just a mono record player, but the turntable was stereo, and they provided an extra hookup so that you could make a stereophonic sound if you wanted with that record player. However, the amplifier is only mono, so what you had to do is you had to get an external amplified speaker, and they made some of those, and I picked one up. Now, of course, you can see that it doesn't match. So as I'm doing the woodwork on the record player, I'm also going to fix up this little amplified speaker from Voice of Music that will make it match. So we've got the speaker grill and we've got the wood to make it all match. Now, on this little guy, I got it, it worked great at first, and then it started buzzing. So, of course, if it's buzzing, that usually means that the capacitor, the main capacitor, is no good anymore, which is very common. And when I took this out, I realized that is the original one. So I did go to my guys at Hayseed Hamfest, and they made me a new one. So we'll put this one in, make sure that the amplifier is working great, just like we did before on the record player. If you'd like to learn how to do that, look at the episode where I fixed the amplifier on the record player. It's going to be the same process. And then we'll make sure that's working right. put it back together, redo the woodwork on here, and it will match the record player. So these are some of the things that are going to be coming out here this summer on the American Garage. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon. Well, until next time, this is Steve from the American Garage. Thanks for watching the American Garage. If you liked this video, hit the like button and leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.